Hello everyone, I'm delighted to welcome you to a new video on our channel. I'm Marjorie, Marketing Manager at GPS Monaco Group. In today's video, we'll be tackling an essential subject for boosting your business, the sales animation plan. It's the key to revitalizing your stores and attracting as many customers as possible. Stay with me until the end of this video, as I'm going to share with you a multitude of examples of sales animation to implement. What is sales animation? Sales animation is a marketing strategy designed to energize the point of sale and stimulate sales through a variety of activities and promotions. The main aim is to attract customers' attention, create a positive and attractive sales experience, and ultimately encourage customers to buy. Keep in mind the crucial importance of involving your employees. They are a central pillar of sales promotion. A motivated, competent, and dynamic team is able to generate a positive environment and deliver superior customer service. Why is sales animation important? In an increasingly competitive business environment, companies are constantly looking for innovative ways to stand out and attract customers. One of the most effective tools at their disposal is sales animation. But why is it so important? Here are the multiple benefits of this approach. Firstly, to increase sales. Secondly, to attract customers and build customer loyalty, differentiate from competition, and improve the customer experience. How to create a sales animation plan? Creating a sales animation plan involves several steps. Step 1, identify opportunities. First, identify promotional or event opportunities. These could be vacation periods, company anniversaries, local cultural events, or seasonal trends. The aim is to find times where a promotion or event will have a significant impact. Step 2, upstream preparation. Make sure that your team is well trained in the products involved in the event and that they are capable of offering quality service even during busy periods. In addition, make sure you have enough stock to meet demand. Step 3, communication. It's essential to communicate effectively about your event. Inform your customers in advance through a variety of channels: in-store posters, newsletters, websites, social networks, SMS campaigns, etc. The aim is to build anticipation and excitement around your event. Step 4, follow-up and analysis. This step is very important. After the event, don't forget to follow up. Analyze sales and customer feedback to see what worked and what could be improved. This analysis will help you refine your future sales events. Here are a few concrete examples of how to animate your sales. Firstly, flash sales. These are limited time sales, usually with substantial discounts. They create a sense of urgency among customers and can stimulate short-term sales. Secondly, product demonstrations. You can invite an expert or a manufacturer's representative to give a live demonstration of the product. This allows customers to understand the benefits of the product and ask questions. Third, special events. Organize an event around a special theme or occasion, such as the release of a new product or the anniversary of your store or agency. This can include activities, special promotions, and even special guests. Fourth, workshops and seminars. Organize educational workshops related to your products. For example, if you sell kitchen supplies, you could organize a cooking workshop. If you sell LED products, you could organize a light show, demonstrate how your products are used, and why not create an activity where customers can learn how to create their own lighting installations for their home. Fifth, promotions linked to specific days. For example, you can offer a discount to all customers born in May, or offer a discount to all teachers on Teachers' Day. Take advantage of Earth Day and offer promotions on environmentally friendly products. On shopping day, which takes place on November 11th and is also known as Single Day, has become a huge online shopping occasion, especially in China. You can propose special offers for this day. 6th, competitions. These can be fun and attract a large number of participants. For example, there are tombolas or raffles. Customers could receive a $10 ticket for every purchase they make or for certain amounts they spend. At the end of the contest period, you could draw a winning ticket for a special prize. You have quizzes or questionnaires. You could organize a quiz on the products you sell, the history of your company, or even fun facts about your industry. Customers could take part online or in-store, and winners could receive a prize or a discount voucher. You also have creative contests with your products. If you sell products that encourage creativity, such as art supplies or DIY kits, you could run a product creation contest. Customers could submit their own creation for a chance to win. 7th, bundled promotions. This is when you sell 2 or more products together at a reduced price. This can encourage customers to buy more. That's it. We've covered the importance of sales animation and how it can transform your business. Whether it's increasing sales, attracting more customers, building customer loyalty, differentiating from the competition, or improving the customer experience, sales animation is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your goals. It's important to note that every business is unique, and what works for one may not work for another. Experiment, be creative, and above all, always listen to your customers. After all, they are at the heart of any successful sales strategy. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it gave you some ideas on how to boost your sales and create a memorable experience for your customers. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on sales, marketing, and success. Don't forget that success in business often comes from the ability to remain adaptable, innovative, and customer-centric. So keep learning, keep growing, and keep improving. Happy selling to all, and see you next time.